La Palma volcano eruption update. Activity a bit calmer today, but lava flows make more progress. Following the surge of activity yesterday, the eruption has been a bit calmer today, relatively speaking. Lava fountaining and lava flow effusion continue with impressive force at the vent. The eruption column was still rising to 3000 m today, but the prevailing trade wind regime dissipates it to the SW, which is why the airport has been operational at least most of the time. In downwind areas near the vents, however, thick ash fall is increasingly a problem, threatening roofs etc. to collapse, destroying farmland, gardens, and making ways impassable. The latest data for the area covered by lava was published as 905, 46 hectares earlier today, 48 more than yesterday. Unfortunately, this illustrates that active lava fronts have made more progress in the past 24 hours, especially along the southern margin of the flow field, where lava is about to destroy the remaining houses of Todoque. Earthquake activity remains intense as well, but also less so compared with the previous few days. In the past 24 hours, there were 87 quakes of magnitude 3.0 to 3.9 and 99 quakes between 2.0 and 3.0, but no new magnitude 4+ tremors. Ground deformation has returned to levels a few days ago. Likely, the elevated activity in the past 48 hours has emptied the excess magma volume that seems to have had accumulated at depth, causing the recent ground uplift. Volcanic tremor is likely a bit less as well, but the National Geographic Institute's IGN, TBT station data has no longer been available, at least not publicly on their site. It can be hoped that the station is not damaged and will be back online soon.